My name is Alexandros Yiorkadjis. I was born in Cyprus. I'm from Cyprus. My research is about human existence. This is a very long research that started from 2007 during my studies in Italy, the Academy of Fine Arts in Italy. This research came to be expressed through many works. It is a long process where each sculpture and each work is like a step toward the evolution of this research. Because it is not about, this research changed during the course of the research. It started as, and it has to do with the different levels of the human being, from the material world to the multidimensional aspect of the human being as a spiritual being. And also a question regarding belief systems, different belief systems, and how the human being is viewed, and how do we express our spirituality and our multidimensionality through the different belief systems. Now, this sculpture is entitled Vibrational Ego Trip. It started as a research on the forms of ego, and it became a representation of different levels of consciousness. Part of this research and the evolution is the concept of catharsis. So how can we speak about catharsis? And how does this catharsis is being expressed through the different belief systems? So this one, we wanted to show, to analyze the concept of density, dense emotion that are around in the inside, that analyzes specific sentiments of division, of separation. In the middle, we have like the return in the center, and from the more dense to become an integration. It's a process of healing, of integrating. And from above, there is a concept of meeting the self. So it is not an escape, it is an embrace to be able to transform. It is connected also with geometry from above, like the different emotions that are expressed in the bottom, above are expressed as geometry. Now this piece started from this research in an extreme synthesis. We have the sculpture Documento, that was a work that I did for my thesis in 2011, and it was exhibited in the Biennale in Venice, the Italian pavilion of the academies. Documento is a research about the human existence from nature, relation with humanity and nature, with society, with the future and technology, and with spirituality, metaphysics. The next sculpture in this series, if I can try to put them in an evolution, is the sculpture entitled Reflection, that won the third prize in the Biennale of Larnaca, where it is an invitation to go within and to analyze the person, also the space within and the space on the environment where we are, the understanding of the being in relation with the environment. There have been other works speak about the collectivity, like a sculpture entitled I Am Here, that we exhibited in the Biennale of Architecture with the Pavilion of Cyprus. Before that, this one was again with the emotions, a sculpture entitled Between the Being and To Be, that we exhibited in a museum in Italy, Museum Casero della Scultura. So it is nice to have a reference to see how this research evolved. It is a discovery that we can see them through each work that came to be expressed in this piece, which is one of a series of works that haven't been exhibited yet, the last pieces. During this research, it brought me from the shamanic traditions, where the concept of catharsis in a group setting, to the Orthodox concept of metanoia, where I visited monasteries and I spoke with monks regarding the concept of catharsis and healing, actually. So it is also, catharsis, it's about integrating what we understand that no longer serves. So it is also to create a safe space where those aspects can be expressed and acknowledged. So this work, it is specifically made to speak about this concept of healing, to bring up aspects that need to be healed on a personal or collective level. First of all, it's a great pleasure to be here. It is a great pleasure. When they showed me the space, I have seen it before, but when I saw the space, I said, yes, I would love to participate in an exhibition in this space and to show for the first time my work, a work of many years in this context where it's the opportunity to see many works of Cypriots together in this beautiful context. Also, this exhibition, it is connected with the anniversary of the invasion of Cyprus. For me, it made sense also to bring this work here, which speaks about healing. I think every moment that we try to express something, it's a positive. So it's a great opportunity to have a space that we can talk about culture and where we can have the opportunity to speak about art and the artistic research that comes with it. And in my case, the evolution of consciousness. I would like to see more exhibitions here, actually. So I hope that this is the first step to an evolution of a cultural center where we can cultivate art and consciousness for me. For me, art is one with consciousness. It's the expression of consciousness. It's nice to be here, and I'm looking forward to see more of the works, and maybe also more collaborations. This space is a container, so it's beautiful to bring it with soulful interactions.